I'm going to show you how to make this. It's a BB gun with a pen. I'm going to show you how to make it, and later I'm going to show you how to use it. Here's how to make it. Grab any one of these. Take this. Oops. Take that out so it's like that. And then take it out of one of these pens. Take that right there. One of these pens. Just pop it out right out. And kind of get that stem out too. Get that little stem out so it's like that. And get the silver thing at the bottom out too. So I'll actually stay and I'll lift the elastic. I'll just put that button down. You don't need that. Put it down right now, because you won't need it for a little bit. So, yeah. Now, this is going to be very tricky. So, never mind. But it will be very tricky to you first timers making this. Take elastic, keep it right there. I already did it. Now put this right here. Here you can feel that it's loose. And like that. So just grab tape, tape it, tape it really tight too. And there you go. There you have it. Your own BB pen. Now, I'm going to show you with one of these. Take one of these little things. Just snip a little piece off. Grab that little piece. Load it in there. And shoots. It's a little tiny invention that I like to call the pen. The BB pen. And that's my video for today. Hope you like it. Subscribe, comment, all that stuff. That's it. So learn how to make a case that your teachers will find out of. That's what I forgot, to make a case that your teachers won't find out of. Okay. Take a normal pen like this. Just like that. Doesn't matter what type. Take this right here off. Take the white off of it. So now you have that. Put that right back on there. If you need some space, cut this. Yeah. Just cut it. Put it right back on there. There. Looks like an ordinary pen. You can load BBs in it. Or ammo. Has that big barrel right there. Just like this one. This one and this one. But pen caps on it. this one, so you could have fully loaded. And so just pop a pen cap. There, it could be fully loaded. But for this one, dropped on the ground, you could put something, you could load the whole thing up, and no one will realize that there's bees in it. No one. And yeah, that's it. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe and comment. Goodbye.